Hello everyone. The next unit is multiples and factors. So first of all we will study what is multiple and how can we find multiples of a given number. So what is a multiple? A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same number or any other number. मीन्स अगर हमें किसी भी गिवन नंबर का मल्टीपल फाइंड करना है, किसी भी गिवन नंबर के मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करना है, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर बाय एनी अदर नंबर और द नंबर इटसेल्फ. इज इट क्लियर? किसी भी नंबर के मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करने के लिए हम गिवन नंबर को सेम नंबर और we can multiply it by any other number, so we will get its multiples. For example, let us see an example. Find 5 multiples of 13 means हमें 13 के 5 multiples find करना है. So हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें, मैंने यहाँ पे 13 I have written here 13 5 times because we have to find 5 multiples. Now what we can do, multiply 13 by any 5 number. Okay, so first of all let us multiply it by 1 because multiplication with 1 is very simple. So 13 ones are 13. Then you can multiply it by 2. 13 twos are 26. Then multiply it by 3. Multiply by 3. 13 3s are 39. Then 13 multiply by 4. 13 multiplied by 4 is how much? 52. Then 13 multiplied by 5, that is 65. We have to find 5 multiples of 13, so multiply 13 by any 5 number. Here I have multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5. You can multiply it by any other numbers like 6 7 8 9 10. You can take any number whatever you want. So what are the multiples? क्या हो गए multiples of 13? What is our answer? First multiple is 13, second 26, 39, then 52 and last 65. So these are the first 5 multiples of 13. In this way you can find multiples of any given number. Now some important points about the multiple. First point, a number is a multiple of itself. We can see here 13, हमें 13 के multiples find करना थे and our answer is also 13, means a number is a multiple of itself. Second, every number is a multiple of 1. Then third, every multiple of a given number is equal to or greater than the number itself. हमने यहाँ पे जो मल्टीपल्स फाइंड कर रहे हैं उससे हम इजीली कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि जो भी आंसर है वॉट एवर बी द मल्टीपल्स आर आइदर इट इज़ इक्वल टू द नंबर और ग्रेटर टू द गिवन नंबर. देन द लास्ट पॉइंट, एवरी नंबर हैज़ अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स. किसी भी नंबर के कितने मल्टीपल्स हो सकते हैं? अनलिमिटेड, इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ मल्टीपल्स, बिकॉज वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय एनी नंबर. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट multiples. Then factors. So first of all, what is factor? A factor of any given number divides the number exactly. Means factors क्या होते हैं? किसी भी नंबर के अगर हमें factors find करना है तो उसके factors क्या होंगे? ऐसे नंबर जिनसे given number exactly divide हो सकता है. ऐसे numbers जिनसे given number exactly divide होगा, all those numbers are its factors. Exactly divide होगा means when we divide it by any other number the remainder is 0. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Find factors of 24. We have to find factors of 24 means हमें ये बताना है कि 24 किन किन नंबर से exactly divisible है. जिन भी नंबर से 24 को डिवाइड करने पे रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा means all those numbers are the factors of 24. Here I have done some basic division. For example, 24 is divisible by 1 24 times. So we can also divide it. See here, this is the divisor, this is the quotient. So you can interchange it. If 24 is divisible by 1 and it is giving the 24 as quotient, so it is also divisible by 24. Means when we divide it by 24 we get the quotient 1. Second, 24 is divisible by 2 because the remainder is 0. So 24, when we divide 24 by 2, the quotient is 12. So also we can interchange here the quotient and divisor. So when we divide by 12, the quotient is 2. So we can say 1 and 24 are the factors of 24. Same here, 2 and 12 are the factors, because when we are dividing it by 2 and 12 we are getting remainder 0. Now again divide 24 is divisible by 3, 8 times 3 is a 24, so 3 is a factor. Now since 24 is divisible by 3 and it is giving 8 as quotient, so when we divide it by 8 we get 3 as quotient. So other factors are 3 and 8. Again check it, 24 is divisible by 4, it gives us quotient as 6. So when we divide by 6 it gives us quotient 4. So here I have written 1 and 24 are factors of 24, then 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So these are the factors. Except these numbers, 24 is not exactly divisible by any other number. Is it clear? Now अगर आप ये मेथड इतना स्टेप नहीं भी करते हैं, then also you can find the factors of 24. How can you find it? See here, 1 से exactly divisible है, so 1 and 24 are the factors. Then 2 से exactly divisible है, so 2 and 12 are the factors. 3 से exactly divisible है, so 3 and 8 are the factor. 4 and 6 means the divisor and quotient both are the factors. So what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factors of 24. By all these numbers 24 is exactly divisible. So these are the factors of 24. Now let us take one more example. Find the factors of 42. So 42 is divisible by 1. It gives us quotient 42 and remainder 0. 42 is divisible by 2. It gives us quotient 21 and remainder as 0. It is divisible by 3. Then it is not divisible by 4, 5. It is divisible by 6. I have done here directly, but you have to check it whether it is divisible by other numbers or not. After 6, 42 is divisible by 7, but here I have not done that division because 6 and 7, when we are dividing it by 6, it is giving 7 as quotient, so we can interchange their position. Let's see here, if we divide it by 7, this is 42, 7 6 are 42, 0 means their positions gets interchanged. So what are the factors of 42? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. So these are the factors of 42, and in this way you can find the factors. Now important points to remember about factors. First point, every number has 1 as a factor. Second, every number is a factor of itself. Third, every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Then fourth, the factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number. ये सभी पॉइंट्स हम एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू इजीली समझ चुके हैं. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next topic, that is perfect number. So first of all, the definition of a perfect number. What is a perfect number? A number is called a perfect number if the sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number. Perfect number क्या होता है? What is a perfect number? If the sum of all its factors, उस नंबर के factors का sum किसके equal होगा? Twice the number. Let us understand with the help of example 6. For example, we have taken a number 6, twice of 6. So first of all, find twice of 6. What is the twice of 6? Multiply it by 2, that is 12. Then find the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Means 6 is exactly divisible by 1, 6 is exactly divisible by 2, 6 is exactly divisible by 3 and 6. Now find the sum of factors. So what is the sum of factors? 12. So now see here, sum of factors is 12. Twice of 6 is 12. Means both are equal. Sum of factor is equals to twice of 6, 12 and 12. So we can say 6 is a perfect number.